Hello. This is Ichie Macswan. Macswan. Not Swan Water. Are you the SP of Girls High School, Mpopo? Nice one. It has been recorded so far that you people rape men. Men of timbers, caliber, and wood. Exactly. Someone gave me your number, but don't worry. You don't need to worry. Is it true that you people rape men? Like, anytime someone comes around your school, you people will just team up and do the raping? Wow. Huh. Like, how many people have you people recorded so far? Like, how many men have you satisfied? Uh, okay. So, like, what time do you people do the art? Like, when do you people perform it? Now, I'm just asking as a concerned Nigeria. Okay. Like 5 p.m. That is 5 Mbede. Okay. But not so soon as recorded. Like you said the federal government wants to ban it, but I mean like not anytime this week. It's a body school. I don't want to come when you people are in fellowship. I just want to visit you people and see how it is. Because any story that one tells someone is not interesting except one witnesses it. So I want to witness it and be part of that history. Don't hesitate to let me know that. Okay, this is my third line. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. No problem, no problem. I will come around. Obugodoro Zukeburu.